I'm Devin Curlings with the Coley Group of Compass, and today we're checking out my newest listing, but this one is special. This is a brick mason's personal home, and there's something so special about selling a craftsman's personal house. You know everything's going to be top of the line, very well maintained and cared for, energy efficient, and my personal favorite is tons of character. Welcome to 323 Aquila Road, Unit D in Benson, North Carolina. Tucked away on a long gravel tree-lined drive and nestled upon almost 10 acres full of mature hardwoods. Already fully functioning as a hobby farm, this property offers multiple outdoor buildings and stalls with an outdoor office and a shop perfect for cars or easily transitioned into a horse stable. Walking up to the home, you'll discover inviting stonework and elaborate water features welcoming you in. You're immediately greeted by a grand drop zone that leads you into the heart of the home. Welcome to the heart of the home, and check out this kitchen. Honestly, I'm obsessed with it. You probably have the largest island in all of North Carolina with a custom oak butcher block. Your kitchen also features custom bluestone countertops. These countertops are extremely durable, so you don't have to stress about anything at all. When they were building this home, they centered it around their lifestyle and functionality. So this island is a perfect place to help with homework, prep for dinners, and entertain all at the same time. Welcome to your primary suite. When the sellers built this home, making it customized around their everyday lifestyle was key. So heading into the primary bath, you have dual closets, and one of my favorite additives, which is extremely clever, is this exterior door that heads out to the farm. So after everyday work on the farm, you can head inside, the mess doesn't follow you, and you can hop right into the shower. The custom bluestone countertops are also here, which are extremely durable, so if you're in a rush and you forget to turn your curling iron off, don't stress. Let's check out the bedrooms. To the left, you'll find two darling bedrooms that share a Jack and Jill bath. Head upstairs to discover the perfect loft or bonus space with a Juliet balcony to overlook the living room. This covered wraparound deck is the perfect place to gather and entertain. Welcome to your unfinished walkout basement. With 2,500 square feet of endless possibility, you have plumbing and electrical already ran. So if an in-law suite was on your list, you can go ahead and check that right off. But let's check out this property. If you like carpentry, working on cars, or have horses, this shop is perfect for you. This property also features a darling chicken coop, and we know how valuable that is these days. There's so much to this property, you'll have to see this one for yourself in order to fully experience the lifestyle that you could have here. For more information or a private tour, you can find me, Devin Curlings, at thecoleygroup.com.